The factory is 30,000 square meters in total surface area. Electric mountain bike, folding e-bike, and city e-bike are our main products. We start with designing and communicating. Building a quality frame is all about choosing the right metal, cutting it, shaping, and joining. The production is like a dance between people and machines. Our standard lab does multi-tests for components, like salt spray, cryogenic, hot test, electrostatic test. Assemble and test electronic parts. Cycling fatigue test to ensure quality. Safe packing for shipment worldwide. E-bikes are serving a global transportation need. Work with us, you can enjoy more than a profit.